Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place video effects underneath an overlay on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this as a background, and I'm also going to add this as an overlay. So let's just add it first, this one, and select it and add it like on top of the background. I'm also just going to adjust this right here. Then I'm also going to scale it down so you'll be able to see the effects that I add. Go to Effects, go to Video Effects, and select the effects you want for the background. For instance, this one, I don't want to add it to the overlay, but I do want to add it to the background. So I'm just going to simply select this bit and move it down underneath the overlay. And you can even add more if you want. For instance, this one. So just drag it and add it underneath the overlay. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!